Coenzyme Q10 plays an important role in mitochondrial energy production. The body makes coenzyme Q10 from a precursor called mevalonate. Mevalonate is the same precursor that is used to make cholesterol. Statins are a class of medications that lower cholesterol by inhibiting the formation of mevalonate. But in the process, these drugs also reduce coenzyme Q10 production. One of the genes involved in the metabolism and clearance of simvastatin is SLCO1B1. This gene encodes a transporter known as organic anion transporting polypeptide 1B1, which allows drug uptake into liver cells where detoxification occurs. Individuals with the C allele of a common polymorphism produce a less functional form of the transporter, slowing the uptake and metabolism of the drug. This allows the drug to reach higher levels, increasing the likelihood of coenzyme Q10 depletion.